Before we start, if you care about real health education, immunity, and understanding how your body actually works, make sure you subscribe. On this channel, we break down complex health topics in a simple, clear way, without fear, without exaggeration. Now, today's topic is something most people ignore, not because it's rare, not because it's new, but because it's common. We're talking about human papillomavirus infection. And here's the surprising part. Most adults will get exposed to human papillomavirus at some point in their lives. Health organizations estimate that the majority of sexually active people will encounter this virus. That means, statistically, it's more common than most people realize. So why don't we talk about it more? Because in many cases, human papillomavirus causes no symptoms, no fever, no severe illness, no obvious warning signs. Many people get infected, and their immune system clears it naturally within 1 to 2 years, without them ever knowing. And that's exactly why it spreads so easily. But here's where it becomes important. Human papillomavirus is not just one virus. It's a group of more than 100 related viruses. Some types cause harmless skin warts. Others are classified as high-risk strains because they are linked to certain cancers. Over the last few decades, strong scientific evidence has shown that specific high-risk human papillomavirus strains are responsible for the majority of cervical cancer cases worldwide. They are also linked to throat, anal, and other cancers. Researchers have actually found human papillomavirus DNA integrated into cancer cells. Certain viral proteins interfere with normal cell control mechanisms, especially tumor suppressor proteins that regulate cell growth. But let's be clear about something important. Most human papillomavirus infections do not turn into cancer. In fact, the immune system clears the virus naturally in the majority of people. So what makes the difference? Persistence. When a high-risk human papillomavirus strain stays in the body for many years without being cleared, it can slowly cause abnormal changes in cells. Over time, those changes may progress if not detected early. So exposure alone is not the main issue. Long-term persistence is. And what affects whether the virus clears or persists? Immune function plays a major role. Research shows that smoking increases the risk of persistent human papillomavirus infection. Chronic stress can alter immune signaling. Long-term immune suppression reduces the body's ability to eliminate infections efficiently. Even general health factors like sleep quality and nutritional status influence immune performance. This doesn't mean lifestyle alone determines outcomes, but immune resilience does influence how effectively your body handles viral infections. Another reason human papillomavirus is often ignored is discomfort around discussing it. Because it is transmitted through intimate contact, many people avoid the conversation. But from a biological standpoint, human papillomavirus transmission is extremely common. Exposure does not automatically mean irresponsibility. It reflects how widespread this virus is in human populations. And here's something else important. Human papillomavirus doesn't cause dramatic outbreaks. It doesn't spread through casual breathing like influenza. It doesn't create sudden public panic. It spreads quietly. In many countries, routine cervical screening has significantly reduced cervical cancer deaths over the past decades. Detecting abnormal cells early allows treatment long before cancer develops. There are also vaccines designed to protect against the most dangerous high-risk human papillomavirus strains. Large clinical trials demonstrated strong protection against those strains, especially when given before exposure. But even with prevention tools available, awareness remains inconsistent. Many people still believe human papillomavirus is rare. It isn't. It's one of the most common viral infections globally, and that's why ignoring it doesn't make sense. Human papillomavirus also teaches us something broader about viruses. Not all viruses create immediate illness. Some survive by staying under the immune radar. Instead of triggering strong inflammation, they replicate within surface cells where immune detection is more limited. That strategy allows them to circulate widely without causing immediate symptoms. When people ask, "Is there a new virus we should worry about?" Sometimes the more important question is, what common viruses are we ignoring simply because they don't create noise? Human papillomavirus has been around for decades. It's not new. But because it's common and often silent, many people underestimate its importance. The goal isn't fear, it's awareness. Understand that most infections clear naturally. Understand that persistent high-risk strains are what matter. Understand that screening saves lives. Understand that immune health influences viral clearance. Human papillomavirus doesn't usually demand attention, but being informed about it is part of understanding how your immune system and long-term health really work. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more clear, science-based health content.